Hello everyone and welcome to Foto Folio 6. As you will be aware, I've done 5 previous photo folios and they are all the same size. Okay, no problems at all. And this is number 6. This is Foto Folio 6, the Memory Folio. Now many of you will have seen the Memory Folio that I bought that you could buy the special kit. But I have had requests because there are people on other parts of the world that can't get hold of the kits. So this is Foto Folio 6 Memory Folio, and this uses A4 cardstock. So whether you're US, you can use your A4 cardstock. Whether you're anywhere in the world, you can use your A4 cardstock. So you're going to need 10 sheets of your A4 cardstock to construct this, and then you're going to need your pattern papers. And this is the bit that's going to take you the longest. What pattern papers are you going to choose to make yours? And by choosing different colour pattern papers, it gives the folio a totally different look. So grab your cardstock, grab the online workshop. You've got a choice whether you want to do it in inches or centimetres, your choice entirely. Join me in the workshop. You're going to need a paper trimmer, a scoreboard, whether you choose to do inches or centimetres, a scoreboard of your choice. You're going to need a bone folder and some good construction glue and your pattern papers. And I will see you in the Foto Folio number 6 online workshop. I'm Dawn McPhee from Dawn's Inspirations, and I look forward to seeing you on the first video. Bye for now.